The Pomelo crowdfunding platform is designed to help communities fund public goods. But what is a public good? In economics, a public good is defined as a good that is both non-excludable and non-rivalrous. Non-excludable means the good and its benefits are available to all, and people cannot prevent others from using it. Non-rivalrous means there is always enough of the good to go around, and it doesn't run out as more people use it. In other words, you don't have to compete with others for a public good. We can classify goods as excludable or non-excludable. Excludable goods are private goods, while non-excludable goods are public goods. Some examples of traditional public goods are infrastructure and public health. Some examples of digital public goods are open source software and open educational resources. Why use Pomelo to fund public goods? Because Pomelo is an open source crowdfunding platform. Pomelo uses a quadratic funding mechanism to diminish the power of big money. It's powered by Web3 technology, and it solves the free rider problem. Here are some examples of public goods on Pomelo: infrastructure, developer tooling, arts and media, community, education, security, ecosystem growth, DeFi or decentralized finance, governance, and privacy. We believe by funding public goods, we give the community an opportunity to help focus where funds are directed. Together, let's fund the public goods that will provide the foundation and improvements EOS needs to thrive. Join us to support the exciting EOS-based projects you love.